Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
How do you convert an array to a list in Python? It's a simple way to convert an array to a list representation. Converting one-dimensional NumPy array to list. Import NumPy as NP number 1D array to list ARR equals NP. Array 1, 2, 3. Print FNumpy array n ARR list 1 equals arranged by toList. Print FList list 1. Converting multi-dimensional NumPy array to list. How do you convert an array to an object in Python? Python convert array to object code answers. Const names equals Alex, Bob, Joni, Ada. Convert array to th object. Const obj equals object. Assign names. Print object. Console log obj 0, Alex 1, Bob 2, Joni 3, Ada. Can you convert NumPy array to list in Python? We can convert the NumPy array to the list by toList method. We can have a list of data element which is converted from an array using this method. Returns the possibly nested list of array elements. How do you convert a list into an integer in Python? How to convert a list of integers into a single integer in Python. Integers equals 1, 2, 3. Strings equals str, integer, for integer in integers. A underscore string equals join, strings. An underscore integer equals int, a underscore string. Print, an underscore integer.
Take our lead. Let's help you make your mark.